In this video, you will know how to renew driving license in UAE. So first you have to reach the authorized registered optical center. In this video, I'm going to show you Al Jaber Optical Center where you can do the eye test. This is the first procedure. So once the eye test has been completed, you need to pay for it. You will pay there 100 AED for the eye test. As a next step, you have to log in TAM app, TAMM. Enter with PIN code. Once you have logged in, look for My Documents. There you will find your driving license tab. When you click it, you will find your driving license. Just click it. You can see 3 photographs. One is from your old driving license. The next one is from Emirates ID. Third one, it will request you whether you have to upload the new or not. So choose as you go. I used the previous photo itself. So it will ask the region where you have took your driving license. I choose Abu Dhabi. Then it will ask the address to deliver the driving license. Once you have filled all the address details, the job has been done. It will ask for which type of courier you need to choose, and it will give you the price for each courier like M posts. So you can choose as you like, and the delivery will be done in immediately next day of the renewal through online. So this is the video. I'm showing you clearly how to renew your driving license in UAE, either Abu Dhabi or Dubai. So here it will tell you to check your address. Once you have confirmed your address is right, the process is going on. You need to pay for it. Either you can go with Apple Pay or credit card or debit card. You can pay it and the process completed. As you shown here, the amount is 318 dirhams. So to renew you need to pay, and for eye test you need to pay. So here you will get the message successful, means that you have completed the driving license renewal process. So please friends, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. You will get a confirmation messages that you have done process correctly. So thank you, bye bye.